Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Time, and in today's video we're going to be doing a 1-day-old slime versus a 1-year-old slime. First up we have the 1-day-old slime. It's called Evergreen Forest. It's kind of sticky. It's a really pretty, nice green color. Now this slime is really spreadable. It's soft. I don't even know how it is compared to the 1-year-old slime. In comparison, next up we have the 1-year-old slime. I don't remember its name, but I'm pretty sure it was lavender something. It's kind of tough. And yeah, it's pretty tough. Can't really stretch it. It has this weird crusty feeling in it. I don't know why, but like, look, if you like kind of like zoom in, it has like a weird crusty feeling to it. And there's like these really disgusting like yellowish foam beads in it. I don't even want to know where they've been. It's kind of really gross. I'm gonna try to swirl with it. Yeah, I can't even, it's so tough. I think this is a fluffy slime because it smells kind of like shaving cream. It's honestly so tough. Like the foam beads are like falling out. Thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to check out our other videos. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Thank you guys so much.